on like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. Hi, baking breads is one of the most easiest things in the world. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple focaccia. I am making focaccia with capers and red jalapenos. You can make it with everything you like. Olives, green jalapenos, oregano, or whatever you like. To begin with, I am going to start adding the dry ingredients to the flour: yeast, salt and sugar. Give it a stir and then add oil. Now I'll add some water to turn it into a dough. This is done. I am going to leave it to prove it for 1 hour. Oh, this is more than doubled in size. It has so many bubbles in it. I will now punch it down and get it ready for the second proving. I am going to dust my surface with flour. I am going to tip the dough on this. This is the perfect dough now. I am going to put it into an oil baking tray. I will brush it with oil and then decorate it with caper and red jalapenos. I am going to leave it in a warm place for the second proving. Wow, this is done. I am going to bake it in a preheated oven. There it is, my simple homemade focaccia. It's a perfect soft bread. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.